Moving can get expensive fast, but here's some good news. You don't have to spend a dime on moving boxes. Today, I'll share 10 easy ways to get free moving boxes for your next move. Let's start with the obvious one, retail stores. Visit local grocery, liquor, or big box stores like Walmart or Target. They usually have sturdy boxes from recent shipments they're happy to give away. Next, ask your friends, family, or coworkers. Someone who's recently moved or ordered online might have boxes lying around that they'd love to get rid of. Don't forget online platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or FreeCycle. Search for free moving boxes, and you'll often find people giving them away nearby. Another great spot, bookstores and office supply stores. Their boxes are strong and perfect for heavy items like books and dishes. If you're near a college or apartment complex, check them out at the end of the semester or lease periods. You'll find tons of boxes people are tossing out. You can also ask recycling centers or local community groups. Many have designated areas where people drop off reusable boxes. And if you shop online, save your delivery boxes in the weeks leading up to your move. You'll thank yourself later. Lastly, check local restaurants or bars for produce and liquor boxes. They're sturdy and great for packing. With a little effort and some smart searching, you can easily gather all the boxes you need without spending a cent. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.